Now for our ETF Spotlight, Mike Santoli looking at semiconductors with Broadcom down around 15% in the sector coming off its worst day since June.
Yeah.
Deal talk, trade talk.
Broadcom down. The group actually firmed today, so that shows you that the other stocks are bouncing in the sector. But it's been interesting. As you had the big cap tech in general hitting a new high today, the NASDAQ 100, semiconductors have been a laggard in general, and especially compared to software companies. If you look at the big ETF that tracks North American software, that's the IGV, it's been a great performer, up about 24% year to date, now 25%. And there's the Philadelphia Semiconductor ETF, the SOXX. It's only up, I say only up 7%. That's well below what the overall NASDAQ is up. And Broadcom within that has been a very weak performer. I think a lot of people asking questions, if semis surrender leadership, is that kind of a bad economic signal? Is it really just about China trade? And of course, you have this very unique situation and puzzling situation with Broadcom buying a no-growth mainframe software company yesterday, CA, which is why the stock is getting punished right now in a big way. So it's by no means Broadcom saying, oh, software's doing great, let's go buy CA. Yep. But they're buying a big pool of cash flow, perhaps because they can't go out and get approval to buy other chip companies.
Yeah, Fitch has a note out about cascading supply chain effects, and they mentioned by name Intel and TI.
Yeah.
Texas Instruments.
From the trade issues.
Just,
yeah, absolutely.
Escalating trade protectionism.
In a weird way, I think people would take comfort if it was only about trade and not basically a cyclical demand story necessarily. But still, that's going to be a challenge for a market that has become pretty dependent on semis as a leadership group.
Thanks, Mike.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.